Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on changing the gearbox in your Thermomix TM31. In this video, we'll take you through each step of the process, ensuring you have all the necessary tools and information at your fingertips. First, let's gather the tools you will need: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a clean cloth for any internal cleaning. Make sure your Thermomix TM31 is unplugged before you start working on it. Now, begin by removing the outer casing. Use your Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws on the back panel. There are 6 screws in total, be sure to keep them in a safe place. As you remove the casing, gently lift it away to expose the internal components. Next, we'll address the gearbox itself. You should see the gearbox assembly connected to the motor. Carefully disconnect any wires attached to the gearbox, taking note of their positions for reassembly. If you're unsure about handling the wiring, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can be a great option if you want expert assistance. Once the wires are disconnected, use your flathead screwdriver to pry open the gearbox cover. This may require some gentle force, so be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. After opening the cover, you will see the gears inside. Inspect them for wear and tear. If they look damaged, it's time for a replacement. Before proceeding, let's take a moment to clean the internal area. Use your clean cloth to wipe away any debris or grease that may have accumulated. This will help ensure smooth operation once you install the new gearbox. Now, let's install the new gearbox. Align it properly with the motor and carefully reconnect the wires. If you don't have the tools for this job, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, which can simplify the repair process significantly. Once everything is connected, replace the gearbox cover and secure it with the screws. Make sure all screws are tightened properly to avoid any future issues. Finally, reattach the outer casing of your Thermomix TM31. Screw it back into place, ensuring that all screws are secure. After everything is assembled, plug in your Thermomix and test it to ensure that the new gearbox is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We provide quotes before repair, so you know exactly what to expect in terms of cost. And that's it. You have successfully changed the gearbox in your Thermomix TM31. This not only extends the life of your device but also ensures optimal performance for your cooking endeavors. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.